Here we go. Got a 15,000 shot belt. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cakes. Ready to go. 89 Street style. A fire going. Lenny's out of his fucking mind. He's got a fire going out of his fucking mind. Lenny's got a, Roger's got a projection screen going. The drill sergeant. Where's the torch?
He's got the torch.
Where's the torch? Where's the torch?
Torch off for this
This is
guy.
going on the drill. Tell us when.
Huh? Tell us when to start.
I need the torch.
Who's got the torch? Yeah!
Where's the torch?
We're gonna do this. I wore this 40 years ago. Do this war those who fought and died for this country. Right?
Yeah! Team switch.
Blow them up. Bust them out. No, you wear it.
Gotta wear it.
You wear it.
Gotta wear it.
With the flaps.
Watch their blood flash.
Take a drink.
Yeah, baby. Sending it out.
Give me a
One more,
light.
Chris.
I'll light
Sandy
up the belt
style.
from there.
Huh?
I like the belt from over there. And you just light it.
You got a torch?
Huh?
He should be alright with a belt. I mean, a regular lighter.
Anybody
Who's
has
got a regular lighter?
Anybody has a lighter?
Hey, give me the help, Raj. Gotta fix it.
All right, I'm going to start from down there.
It might be
Rod.
hard to
I'm going to light the belt.
maneuver across.
Yeah, no more mud flaps. You're out of the water now.
All right,
You're in. There he goes. Go get him, Marine.
Here we go, Raj.
Hang on.
Send it up. 89th Street style.